Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to check a Honda Civic engine. First, always ensure your car is on a level surface and the engine is cool before starting any checks. This provides accurate readings and prevents burns. We'll cover essential visual inspections, fluid level checks, and listen for unusual noises. These steps are crucial for maintaining your Civic's performance and identifying potential issues early, saving you time and money in the long run. A thorough visual inspection is your first line of defense. Open the hood and look for anything out of place. Check the serpentine belt for any signs of wear, like cracks or missing ribs. It should feel taut, not loose. Carefully inspect all hoses for swelling, hardening, or leaks, especially around clamps. Also, scan for any disconnected wires or chewed insulation, which can indicate electrical problems. Next, let's check your vital fluids. Pull out the engine oil dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, then pull it out again to read the level. It should be between the two marks. Add oil if needed. Locate your coolant reservoir and confirm the fluid is between the minimum and maximum lines when the engine is cold. Don't forget to check your brake fluid and power steering fluid reservoirs as well, topping them off if they appear low. Beyond visual and fluid checks, pay attention to how your engine sounds and feels. Listen for any unusual knocking, ticking, or hissing noises that could signal internal issues. Always be aware of your dashboard warning lights. If one illuminates, consult your owner's manual immediately. Regular maintenance, like oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, is key to longevity. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.